Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on nodes. If you've drawn something and it's got erratic shapes of nodes, if you take your shape tool and you highlight just the upper part, I'm going to call it upper part of the mountain, leaving the valley ones, you've got them all selected. If you'll go right here and go align nodes horizontally, it'll put them all even. And the good thing about this, once you've got them all selected, if you hold down your control button, you can raise them up and you can see it kind of click. It'll keep you in a straight line. Same thing with nodes going in this direction. Just take your shape tool, click on it, and get just the top of the valleys again, or the top of the mountains. Go up to arrange, align vertically. I don't know really what it's doing, if it's averaging the nodes or what it's doing, but it really works. It's taking out the highs and the low, and I guess thinking just getting the middle, kind of making everything even. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.